What's going on, guys? Chris back with you with another unboxing and review video. In today's video, it's going to be for the TOKFIT T2 Massage Precision Massage Gun. You've beat up your muscles, and now we're going to take care of that, and we're going to go ahead and relax those muscles. The one we're going to be reviewing in this video is going to be the 6-head accessory T2, but they also make a 4-accessory head T2 as well, which is a little bit cheaper. It will always be in the description box below. You guys can read more about it, pick one up yourself. Again, that link is going to be in the description box below. There's different color schemes. There's all black, or there is a silver and black, which we're going to be reviewing in this video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this, and we're going to talk you through the important specs. All right, so here we are here. The TOKFIT gives you a very nice case, zippered up case, which is great for travel purposes if you're going on vacation, or if you're just going to or from the gym. And let's go ahead and open this guy on up. Again, this is the silver and black color with a matte black handle. They've done a very nice job putting it together. Again, this is the 6-head accessory kit T2 massage gun. We have a little manual here, tells you all about it, some different ways to use it. Elbow, joint, shoulder, neck operation. We have knee problems, all sorts of different things. Talks to you about maintenance, etc. And the product weight is coming in at 2.2 pounds, guys. It's a very light massage gun, and that's great. Super silent. So let's go ahead and take a look at a few of these accessory heads here. This one is obviously for the spine. They market that one for the spine there. This one is, in particular, is my personal favorite. It has a kind of a more of a felt type of a head that gives your muscles great relief. Here, kind of more of a flatter one with some dots. This one is great for penetrating straight through the muscles. And we also have the plunger one in the top right that has a little bit of give to it. This, of course, would be our charger and cable length coming in at 24 volt, 1 amp. And we also have the flat one here, as we can see in the middle, and that would be able to beat up your legs or large areas that you want a more of a flatter accessory head. Here on the top, we would have our ventilation for the motor, and then of course our accessory pushes into the front portion of it there, with our battery release right under the logo, and our on and off switch with our charging port down here at the bottom, with our LED light ring around the very bottom of the handle of the battery there. Here we have our LCD display. Go ahead and remove that little piece of plastic over the LCD display. That's how you control the speeds of the motor and the on and off. To charge it or recharge it, obviously just slip the end of the cord right into the bottom of it there, and our on and off switch, you need to go ahead and turn on that switch, which allows the unit to go ahead and power up after you hit that power button in the middle. And very silent, guys. And you just turn it off like that, control the motor, plus and minus. You have your battery indication symbol there to the right. 10 would be 100%. Now, as we can see here down at the bottom, there is a green LED light around the ring of the bottom of the handle. That's great. Gives you notification that obviously your power is on from your switch underneath. This is a great design, feels great in the hand. Now let's go ahead and put on my favorite accessory, which is going to be kind of the tennis ball head of it. Simply just go ahead and push it all the way in, and on the back here, you hit the power button there, and you can go your different modes there. Right now it's in 4, goes all the way up to 20, and just hit that center button when you're ready to juice it off. Switch out the heads to different accessories, and let's show you right now how quiet it is. Now, I really love to beat up my calves, especially after the gym. And so you just get it in there while you're watching TV, put on a Netflix show, and go ahead and just, nice, look at that. Look at how my calf is just twitching there. That looks great, guys. And then obviously the more you push in or up the speed, it's up to you. But what's nice with the 20 different levels is that you literally can go, the elderly can go on level 1, or the muscle fanatics that really need to beat up their muscles after a hard workout at Gold's Gym or wherever you are. You can go up to level 20 if you really want. I rarely use it above level 12 or 13 if my shoulders are really beat up there. And again, this is my favorite accessory here. And I've cured my tennis elbow, elongating the muscle just like this, and your shoulders, not to mention your legs. Walking up and down the stairs, going on runs. Go ahead and just beat up those legs, running them up and down. If something is really sore, go ahead and use this. My buddy was using one on his calf as well, and it just really soothes the pain and really stretches out those muscles that are nice and tight. Again, I just watch TV while I'm using it. This actually has a 15-minute cutoff. It will cut off after 15 minutes, but you can obviously just power it back on again. Now the top high speed vibration is 3,200 RPM, and it does have a 2,400 milliamp battery, which is great. Lasts a nice long time. And so on a full charge, it depends upon your speed, obviously, but that can be up to 8 hours of usage. And watch that battery indicator. When it does go down, go ahead and power it back up. Inside is a 24-volt brushless motor head. 1 through 4 levels is 400 RPM. Levels 5 through 8 is 1,800 RPM. 9 through 12 is 2,100 RPM. And 13 through 16 is 2,500 RPM. With 16 through 20 is 3,200 RPM. Well guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Hit that thumbs up button if it has given you an informed decision if you want to purchase this massage gun. Subscribe also to the channel. We got a lot more wonderful things we're doing, DIY projects, product review videos. Hit that subscribe button, guys, and we will see you in the next one. My name's Chris. Take care for now. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.